and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another painting makeover. So I will be back to you once I have finished setting everything up. So I just finished setting up everything. Here is my pumpkin. It is kind of small, but I am using these three colors, a teal, a pink, and a white. And then I'm also going to be using this paint palette, this cup of water, a napkin, and then I have these paint pens, and I'm also going to be using some masking tape. I just got some masking tape, and this is not really masking tape. This is just like the regular decorative kind of tape, but I couldn't find any masking tape, so I'm just going to use this today. And I forgot to mention this, but if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So I just finished painting the pumpkin. It looks really good, and I actually added a coat of Mod Podge on the top of it. So I'm going to show you in just one moment. So here is the final pumpkin in 3, 2, 1. So this is the final pumpkin. I think it turned out really cute. And here there are little polka dots down here. And I added a gold paint pen. And you can see it is super shiny because of the Mod Podge. And I think overall this is a super fun craft to do during fall. So yeah. So this is now the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you would like a shout out in the end of my next video, make sure to comment on the discussion page and one of the hashtags that I will put in the description box down below. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.